Hello, I am going to show you guys how to make my most highly requested meal, I don't know. And when I say highly requested, I'm just talking about really my husband, my sister, and maybe one or two of my friends. But this is pork shoulder. I'm gonna show you how I make it. It is so good. You're going to need pork shoulder though, because you want that fatty part. And this is for like 2 servings or 14 ounces, or this is a little more, but let's go. Seasoning. Let me show you what I use, and these are the main ingredients that you will need. Oyster sauce, a must. A tablespoon. Yeah, just drizzle it on there. That looks good. You need some sugar. I'm gonna say like a tablespoon. You're definitely gonna need salt. Teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon. Measure to your liking. If you like things bland, maybe a teaspoon. Black pepper. You know, to your liking. It doesn't really matter. As much as you want. Get it in there. Some parsley. I love parsley, so I drizzle some in here. Some Perfecta seasoning. Sprinkle some of that on here. I use this all the time. I love this. This is a must. Anything that's similar to this. Put it in there. Roasted garlic and herbs. You see like how I'm adding all these like herbs. All the vegetable seasoning. I love it. Put as much as you want. This is an absolute must. Barbecue seasoning. This brand. So good with the pork. I am very generous with this. You could put like a tablespoon, teaspoon. This is also a must. It's hoisin sauce. You can drizzle a bit in here like that. You're gonna need cornstarch. I use a teaspoon of cornstarch with a tablespoon of water. Mix it like this. I am going to use a clove of garlic, but if you love garlic, you can add 2 if you want. You want to chop up the garlic like this. Now, if you want it fine and, you know, chopped nicely and small, you can do that, but I don't. Now you just mix everything up. I'm going to add a little more sugar. Just letting you guys know, this is just purely for my own entertainment. This is a hobby that I love to do. I'm not trying to gain any views or anything like that. It's just me trying to share with everyone the stuff that I love to cook. And maybe, hopefully, one day someone would be like, oh my gosh, I tried your dish and it tastes so good, or damn, that sucks. I don't know. Add some oil or some kind of like cooking spray or something on the aluminum. Get all the juices. Yeah. Get that garlic in there. Ta-da! This is gonna go into the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour. This is what an hour and 5 minutes of pork shoulder looks like. Now I went a little bit over an hour because the cut is kind of thick, so if you have a thick cut, usually it's a little bit over an hour, but make sure that you check like about 35 minutes to see how it looks in the oven, because everybody's oven is different. So for me, an hour is enough. I'm gonna cut this to show you guys. Ta-da! Here is the pork shoulder that we have been waiting for. It looks so good. Let me know if you decide to make it and if you like it. If you don't like it, thank you for watching.